Hi guys, in this episode I'm going to make Seyal Bread, which is a Sindhi speciality that I've learned from my friend, but I've tweaked it a little bit, so let's see how. I'm going to start with making the mint and coriander paste. For that I have a cup of coriander leaves, half a cup of mint leaves, 3 green chilies, 1 piece ginger chopped, and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Let's grind this into a paste. I'm just going to add a little bit of water and let's grind it into a smooth paste. And this paste is ready. And now I'm going to saute this paste. So for that I'm going to heat a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add 1 onion finely chopped. Once the onions have softened a little bit, I'm going to add the coriander and mint paste. Just saute it for a minute. Next I'm going to add half a cup of water. Two to 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice. For tamarind juice, soak some tamarind in half a cup of water for around 10 to 15 minutes. Squeeze out all the pulp and strain it, and you'll have the tamarind juice. Just in case you don't have tamarind, you can use 1 big tomato finely chopped. Salt to taste. And now I'm going to add 4 breads roughly chopped. Let the bread soak up all the nice flavors from the mint and coriander paste, and it has to be a little soft. Cook it for another 2 minutes. Top it with some fresh coriander leaves, and this is ready. This makes a very quick snack, and if you're going to make it for children, garnish it with a little bit of cheese and reduce the chilies a little bit. I'm sure they'll enjoy it. Do try it at home, subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.